Hey there, so firstly, just want to say welcome to my channel. My channel's name is called Building with Jay. You may be wondering, what does Building with Jay mean? Well, in short, it's building who you are, building your belief, building your self-confidence, building things such as, occasionally I might be throwing some DIY things onto the channel, some progress when I do some projects at the same time, some how-to videos, anything that you can sort of think of in terms of how to, what do I need to do, how do I do this. Well, if you have any further suggestions, if there's things that you possibly struggling with, drop it in the comments below. And at the same time, don't forget, click the red little icon in the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Click it, subscribe, much appreciated. So you may be wondering how often I'm going to be posting. Well, I normally post about 2 to 3 times a week, and inside of those posts you will find building your self-confidence, building who you are, dealing with self and stress management, and at the same time, the other part of the videos, you'll be often finding a how-to video included in the week. So for instance, how do I jump onto an online call, how do I use a webinar platform, how do I build a business online, things like that. So you'll find that there's 3 main topics that I cover, and that is building yourself, building your brand, building your self-confidence. The second one is how-to videos, and the third one, how do I make money online? Well, it's simple. Stay tuned for some of those videos. I look forward to interacting with you over the next couple of years, over the next couple of weeks, months, however long you like to look at it. I appreciate every single time that you visit us, and I look forward to chatting to you in our next video.